Want to know how to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger? You would want to know how to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger as it helps to stop receiving messages or calls from people you don't want to interact with. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove contacts from Facebook Messenger. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Messenger app on your screen. Then open any chat you wish to remove. Now tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, scroll down to the privacy and support section. Here there are two options. Either you can block the contact or restrict them. Now select according to your preference. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the block option. So this is how to remove contacts from Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.